To fix the black and white screen on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is easy. Now you're going to begin by opening up the Settings app, then you're going to scroll and select Modes and Routines, select Modes and ensure that Sleep Mode has been turned off. This is because whenever you turn on Sleep Mode, sometimes you may have features such as enabling grayscale or dark mode, and this could be one of the reasons why your watch is currently in a black and white screen. If that hasn't fixed anything, then you're going to go back to the main settings menu and you're going to scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, select Vision Enhancement and then ensure that color correction is currently disabled. Under color correction, there is a feature called grayscale. So if you tap on that to go to turn it off and it still hasn't fixed it, then just ensure that color inversion is also disabled. When you do that, this should successfully fix any black and white screen issues that you are having on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. If none of these ideas have worked, then I would recommend you getting in contact with Samsung support for any additional issues that might have been caused maybe during assembly line or something similar. Thanks for watching. If you have some questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.